Sichuan fine arts, where the colors sing. Every building's gotta sing, murals high and murals low. It's an art show on the go. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. Walk down the lane, see art at play. Brushes in hand, they paint all day. From the walls to the doors, even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. Walk down the lane, see art at play. Brushes in hand, they paint all day. From the walls to the doors, even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. There's this and there's that, and there's that one there too. Every step you take, there's something new. A rainbow of this and that in every hue. At Sichuan Fine Arts, they got talent. Ain't the whole place gallant? Their wall shout out, take a photo of me. Oh yeah, I think I will. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. So come on down, take a stroll. Let the colors capture your soul. In Sichuan Fine Arts, where the walls sing, you'll find coolness in everything.
Okay, here we are in a neighborhood at the Sichuan Arts. Look at that painting on the wall, it's so cool. So this is a neighborhood right outside the Sichuan Institute of Fine Arts, and you got tons of really amazingly cool artwork kind of everywhere, and also the buildings, like they'll paint the buildings as well. And then you can also see over the sides as well, and that's going to kind of capture. But we're going to be highlighting just kind of randomly a little bit for about 12 to 15 minutes. I'm just kind of showing you. That's the art university right over on that side. Here's somebody who wants to see what this whole neighborhood looks like, I think. I guess it's a taxi driver stopping. But anyways, we're going to check it all out. Chongqing up on the map. And this is the Sichuan Fine Arts University, which has Graffiti Street. And I think I filmed 4 videos of the street, of this neighborhood. So this is number 3 of the 4. But out of Chongqing, I think we're number 22. You can see it anyways. And there's 39 total. That means I'm going to be still putting up more Chongqing. And basically, I went there in August of 2024, and I filmed 39 videos, all of different parts of Chongqing. And this is just one of them. So you can like and subscribe, and then you can see some more Chongqing stuff, because I kind of get into some cool stuff. And this one is no exception. And we got the music. So this one is something I created. I wrote the lyrics and fed it into an AI program. So so it's kind of a fun song. Really like it a lot. So I'm doing it on all 4 of these Sichuan Fine Arts ones. Anyways, let's just get into the walk and talk. So that's the next part, where I'm going to walk with the camera, and you can hear the sounds and see the sides as if you're with me. All right, let's do it. Chongqing. Okay. So let's just see what all we got here. We got some really cool buildings anyways. And I'm just gonna kind of meander a little bit, because you just don't know what kind of nook and cranny to go down. It's just, there's just a lot of cool artwork kind of everywhere. And they'll paint the buildings as well, so as you can see the designs, but there's also other ones where they'll do like graffiti walls. So we can see some graffiti walls over there. And you can just see like artwork like up in here, and there's a lot of artists like that particular one, and we'll see other ones as well. So this is all near the Sichuan. Yeah, check this out on this side, right? And then I think this one is a convenience store, but some of them are, you can buy paint So like this whole building, right? There's a lot of kind of cool stuff throughout. Let me kind of look down some of these alleys. We're going to be going down a graffiti art street in a minute, unless I get sidetracked on something amazing and I just want to highlight that, which could happen easily in this space. The graffiti art street is on the other side. I'm trying to see what's behind a little bit. Okay, so you can see some of the paintings. And they do got artwork behind here too. I like how Chongqing is kind of built into the mountains. Like kind of everything is like that a little bit. And then this one goes right into a neighborhood. So we're just gonna come into here and see if there's any artwork in here. Wonder if I can go through. There's a bar over here. I'm just kind of curious if I can go through a different way, maybe over here. But now I just saw this big thing that says cafe bar, so of course I want to see what that's all about. Allow some artists to get rich first. This would be probably a fun place to hang out. Let me see if we can get through here at all. Nope. The cafe over there. So it looks like it cannot go through here. Oh, they're doing artwork over here. Or print. You see some colorful buildings way over there. And then you can also see all these balconies. People kind of have nice apartments. That's one thing I like about Chongqing is you got these apartments that are like that. Anyways, I think I'm gonna turn the camera off and then I'm gonna come up over on the other side of this building and start again. Okay, so we're gonna come back out and then now we can get back to this main street, and I'm gonna go over to the graffiti street because that one is kind of describes the whole street scene all together, because that's where you'll see more like tourists who are coming just to like they'll get art, they'll get paint, and they'll paint. Maybe we'll just jump over there, get around the bus. Okay, so we just came from down that direction, and then you can see the artwork from this side. And it looks like we have a train station right here too, which is good to know, good information. Maybe I'll film what that station is in a minute. That way anybody can get here easily. I took a taxi actually. The taxi didn't cost very much at all. But if someone does come here, oh, it's actually named, appropriately named Sichuan Fine Arts Institute, line 18. So that would actually be the train line entrance. And we are going to walk down to the main graffiti street, all the way down there. So stay tuned for that. And I guess we'll walk across right here. Let's see if we can get across safely or not. You can see lots of artwork all the way down too, right? So it looks like we can go across. I'm gonna come in here because this gets where it gets kind of cool. Because I've kind of stumbled upon something in 2 videos ago. So this is my 3rd video around the Sichuan Arts Universe. So this actually goes down into the public bathrooms for one, but it also goes into this little cafe. Goes down here. I just thought this was such a cool space. That space right there. And they got a lot of artwork in here. Beautiful tables. And just kind of all set up. Got a chef back there. And I think this might be a little bit of the history. Such a beautiful space. Then we're gonna come on out. Let's see. That music might affect my video, but there's a lot of really beautiful artwork, including this one all the way down. But because of the music, I'm not going to film too much in it. And now we're back out on the street. Shoe shop. So we're gonna go down to the Graffiti Art Street, which is gonna be part of our video as well. And I'll try to explain all these kind of cool little alleys everywhere. And I'll try to explain why these trees have paint on them, and these things have paint on them, and that has paint on it, and this trash can has paint on it, but not everything has paint. But right around the edge is called Graffiti Street, and Graffiti Street is a place where you can actually rent paint or purchase it and just freely paint on things that already have paint on them, basically, as far as my understanding is. Because there are certain ones that don't have paint and some certain ones that do. But you'll see all that in a moment as well. So I believe that this is Graffiti Street, but there is interesting stuff other places too. Then on Graffiti Street, one of the things that I'm seeing in particular is that these, in fact, they get painted over by kind of anybody as like a tourist thing. So you kind of get like globs of paint, and it's like a agglomeration or something like that, where things kind of accumulate. Watch out, car, you're gonna get paint on you. You're right in the paint alley. But yeah, I think you can rent the paint like these ones here, I think. And you can also get paintbrushes as well. You can paint away. That sounds like so kind of cool. We'll go all the way around the corner here. It's funny how people, I noticed in the street that people are maybe embarrassed of their painting. So when they see me with a camera, they'll kind of shy away if they're gonna paint, like as if they're gonna, you know, be turned into the police or something. Like as if it's not allowed or something. But anyways, this whole street has graffiti in it. And you got nice, interesting sculptures as well. And then yeah, they even like paint the doors and stuff like that. So I've seen that theme as well. Milk tea. So anyways, that's a little taste of Graffiti Street in Chongqing, near the Sichuan Arts University. Pretty cool. Got places to sit as well. Okay. And if you examine it, you'll see that it's like layers and layers and layers. So I don't know if they scrape it down at some point. But it is pretty cool. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video. I was going to tell you there's like really cool apartments. I think that I was going to talk about that at the beginning of the video. Just how like a lot of the apartments have balconies and they kind of overlook things. It's kind of all kinds of different styles. Anyways, on that note, I guess we're going to end the video. Try to find something kind of cool to end it on. Let's just go up a little bit further. There's some pretty cool looking sculpture, and then we're going to end the video for that one. Then along the way, of course, we have our interesting apartments with all these balconies. Everybody has views. And check out that little convenience store too. They even got like a little certain archway. And we are going to end it over here. I think this would be a good ending. And now you can see all this kind of cool stuff right here, right? Looks like people actually do a lot of portraits and paintings. This one looks kind of interesting. Very, very cool. And then you can also do some really nice photographs up in here too. So I am going to go up in here, walk around briefly. Let's see if I can walk like that. Yeah, really cool. And then I guess we're going to end it on this sculpture right there. And then I think that's the Sichuan Arts Institute is straight up that street a little bit, and I think you can see maybe some of the entrance. Right there. So I think that's kind of a nice ending right there. So Sichuan Arts University. Maybe that's better. Strolling around.
Even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint. And with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color. This place is like no other.